Hey, hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code with Nani. Today we're gonna discuss about control statements, if else, switch case, and ternary operator. Before we get into this eminent topic, let's just discuss about operators. So in C++, the operators are classified into six types. So what is an operator? So operator is a symbol that calculates the value between two operands. Let's take an example. Let's take 2 plus 3. So this is an operator, and the LHS and RHS of the operators are called operands. So what does operator do? Operator does the calculate the value between the two operands and it will generate the output as 5. So that's how the operator works. And there are six types of operators. One is arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical, bitwise, and assignment operators, and ternary or conditional operators. So let's take an example. Arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are the operators works on the arithmetic operations like positive, negative, division, and multiplication, as well as the modulo. This is called modulo, or you can say remainder operator. So, as we all know, what is addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication? Let's just take an example of this modular operator. So, let's take an example of 21, 21 modulo 2. So, what does it will do? Just divide 21 with 2. 2 times 20, and the remainder is 1. So, what does it will return is 1 because this is an remainder operator. Remainder operator. And let's take another example. 7 modulo 3. So what is the value? It will return 1 because 3 to 6 and 3 is the remainder 1. So value of this is 1. So this is the modulo operator which does use the remainder of that particular expression. So let's check another operators. Relation. Now we take an example of further relational operators. So relational operators are like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. As we all know, it means less than operator, and it is greater than. So always the left part should be greater than right part. That is, it should be less than or equals to that specific value, and this is greater than or equals. As I know, we all came across these things in our high school. It's of less than, greater than, and less than equal to or greater than equal to. And the new one, logical operator. So what is logical operator? So logical operators are the operators that are based on the logical one or logical zero. Let's take an example. And so if you use if a greater than b and b greater than c, which means it should return true as well as it should also be written true. Then only this particular if statement will be executed. And then is like LHS part as well as RHS part. Both needs to be true. Both needs to be true. Means logically it should be a 1 or true. Same case or operator, which means if expression 1 or expression 2. So either expression 1 can be true or expression 2 can be true. If any of these two statement is true, then it will execute that particular if statement. And there is one more expression. Don't worry, I'll include all the examples so that you can be able to do practically. So there is another expression not equal to, which means like where when this value is not equal to that value, suppose 3 not equal to 2, it will give you the true value because 3 is not equal to 2. But in the other case, if you give 2 not equal to 2, it returns false. Why? Because 2 is equal to 2, but we are mentioning 2 not equal to 2. This is not equal. So that's how logical operators works. Now I'll show you how the bitwise operator ends. Bitwise operators are AND, OR, left shift, right shift, and so what is bitwise AND? As we all know, we came across digilogics and all. So what is bitwise AND? For this, there was a table. Just take an example. So if bit value is 0, 0, 0, it gives 0. If it is 0, 1, it gives 0. 1, 0, it gives 0. 1, 1, 1. Which is when LHS and LHS is 1, or we can say true, then output is true. Okay. LHS, RHS, output. Let's take the same example for the OR operator. And so OR operator, LHS, RHS, and what is output? So when the LHS is false and RHS is false, then output is also false. When LHS is true and RHS is false, then it is true. When LHS is false and RHS is true and output is true. When it is true, it is true, then it is also true. So what does it basically means? When any of the expression, whether left expression or right expression, in between or operator, any of those expression is true, then it will give you the true value and it will get into that if statement. If both are false, then it is false. But when it comes to an operator, the both expression has to be true. Then only that is logically true. That is, did you get it? Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's get into assignment operator. So what is assignment operator? Assignment operator is equal. As we all know, in the mathematics, we use equal sign to judge as like LHS equal to RHS, like 2 equal to 2. We use this mathematical equation. So, but here in the programming language, we use equal sign as an assignment operator, which means a equal to 2. So what does it mean? We are creating a variable named a and storing the value 2. So when a equal to 2, let's take another example. B is equal to 4, then a is equal to a plus b. So what does it mean? We are having a variable container b as well with the value 4, and what we are doing, a plus a is 2 plus b is 4, and we are storing the output value in the a. So what does it mean? We're getting a is equal to 6. So the value will be changed as a equal to 6. That's how assignment operator works. So it will store the value of that right side RHS expression and will store in the LHS expression. So let's get into the ternary operator or conditional operator. So what is ternary operator or conditional operator? Conditional operators. So ternary operator like expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. So don't confuse on this expression 1, expression 2. So what does it mean? So in the expression 1, we'll mention the logic. In the expression 2, we can do whatever we want. Like if that does, then this is output, or output 1. I'll give an example so that it will be clear for you. So if this expression is logically true, then expression 2 will be executed. Yes, if it is false, then expression on the false statement, expression 3 will be executed if it is false. Let's take an example. Let's take a is equal to 20, right? So what will be the legal age for the voting system? So legal age for the voting system is 18 years. So let's check here. We'll write condition if age greater than or equal to 18, see out eligible, else see out not eligible. So what does it mean? 20 is greater than or equal to 18, so which indeed it is true. So right after the ternary operator, this will be executed. See out eligible, as he is eligible for the voting. So if let's take another example. If age is 14, which is not which is age is less than or equal to 18, which means this is false. This is false. So then what will be executed? This will be executed. So that's how ternary operator works. Cool. So these are the six ternary operator. These are the six logical operator, ternary operator, and relational operators in C++. That's it for today's video, guys. Today we discussed about operator and its type. Tomorrow we'll continue with the logical statement. So if you find interesting, do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any updates, hit that bell icon. Thank you. Signing off. See you tomorrow with your new content. Bye bye.